We're going to talk about pro versus personal accounts on TikTok. Now, everyone, once they've set their TikTok profile up, they have the option of being able to upgrade to a pro. Now, there's no cost. There is nothing really new. The only thing that it gives you is it gives you the options of analytics based off of your profile and your videos, as well as the option of one day being able to brand yourself and partner with other businesses with your profile. Let me show you how you get there. And I've already set mine up for the pro account. So you're going to tap on the three little dots in the upper right hand corner. You are going to go to the pro account section, which is located near the middle. Now, what you have here are two different options. You have your analytics. Now, analytics give a brief overview of like your video views, your followers, and your profile views over the last 7 and 28 days. These are going to be very important, especially if you are branding a business. They're going to be very important in showing you what is working. You can go over the last 28 days and see what is going on with each one of these. And it will give you insights. Now, they're very generalized insights. If you've been on YouTube, it's not going to be as detailed as YouTube is, but yeah, it will give you some insights with regard to this. As far as the overview, you also have your content. It will show you what the last 5 posts have done, as well as trending content on your channel. So it allows you to be able to take a look at what is working and to start creating more video content that will work for your particular niche marketplace or for your TikTok channel. And then you can go into your followers. Now, the followers analytics will not activate until you get 100 followers. And then from there, you can see what your audience or people who are following you have engaged in once your account has reached that threshold. So you're able to look around and see what they are liking and then craft your video content based on what they like and start growing your audience in your marketplace. But in any case, that is all that it is. Very short and sweet and to the point. And I would suggest that if you have a TikTok account, that you immediately go up and set it from personal to pro account.